Welcome into the video. I am your tech guy Wayne, and today I want to show you how to soft reset your Samsung Galaxy A26 if the screen freezes or the touchscreen is not working properly. What you're going to do is hold down on the power button and the volume down button until the screen shuts off, just like this. Power, volume down, 1, 2, 3, hold. You might see it go to this screen. Continue to hold the buttons until the screen goes completely dark. Just like that. Once it does that, let go of the buttons and give the phone a couple of minutes. And what you've done is just triggered what's called a force restart. It's going to turn the phone off, turn it back on again, and this usually will give the software time to reboot. And if it's a software issue you're having and that's what's causing the phone to glitch, this should fix the issue. However, if your touchscreen is cracked or damaged in any areas, then this may not fix that. It depends on what state your phone is in. But if your touchscreen is like mine, it's totally fine. It's probably software related. And by this, shutting the software down and turning it back on, this should fix the issue that you have. All right. Now, if this does not fix your issue and your touchscreen is still super glitchy and not working properly, then I would encourage you to find a local cell phone repair shop, have them take a look at the phone and give you, hopefully diagnose the screen and give you a quote on what it will cost to replace the screen, because at that point you probably have a damaged screen and you probably need to have it replaced. If you got value out of this video, make sure you bump that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.